This is a new series I'm doing where I give you just the essential details you'll need to know. I call it Just the Facts. Today we're looking at the Benchmade Bugout 535GRY-1. This is part of Benchmade's Blue class, which is their EDC line. This is a manual opening knife that features Benchmade's access lock. The access lock first debuted in 1988. It utilizes a spring, which is called the 𝐴𝑚𝑎𝑧𝑜𝑛 spring, that engages and disengages the lock bar or the access bar. It is ambidextrous, left or right. Let's look at the dimensions. So the overall length is 7.46 inches long. The blade length is 3.24 inches. The cutting edge is an even 3 inches. The blade width is about an inch. The blade thickness, as you can see, it's very thin. The blade thickness is 0.09 or 9/100ths of an inch thick. This weighs 1.85 ounces. The blade steel is made out of CPM S30V. This is a stainless steel made by Crucible Industries in the US. This steel is renowned for its high edge retention and its corrosion resistance. The blade style is that of a drop point. It has a partial swedge that's unsharpened. From the top here you can see it has a nice distal taper to a fine tip. It has a really high saber grind, it's almost flat. It has a smoke gray chromium nitride coating. Dual-sided thumb studs, which are made out of aluminum and are anodized. It has a nice goldish color. The handle scales are made out of grivery and are lightly textured with this diamond pattern. It is waffled on the underside. There are steel liners, but it only runs about almost halfway. It mainly covers the access lock assembly. The standoffs here, like the thumb studs, are made out of aluminum and are anodized as well. It has that nice tan gold color. The lanyard hold is really large. It can accommodate a paracord lanyard or even a really small carabiner. The pocket clip is a shrunken down version of Benchmade's deep riding pocket clip. It's reversible, left or right carry, and it also features the same smoke gray chromium nitride coating as well. That'll conclude this video, and that was Just the Facts.